Hey friend, I'm back with another sneak peek of my new book, Kitchen Garden Revival. I'm even wearing the same shirt. Can you tell? It's just a year old now. I am so excited to show you inside my book, Kitchen Garden Revival today. Today, I want to give you a sneak peek of chapter 2. So last week I showed you chapter 1, which is called Site. And in chapter 1, you choose the spot where you're going to put your kitchen garden. Now in chapter 2 is called Gather. And chapter 2 is all about gathering the important elements for a raised bed kitchen garden. So if you love the way that I set up my kitchen gardens from rooted garden and gardenery, then you are going to love this chapter. So I walk you through all the different parts of a kitchen garden, from the raised beds to the trellises to the pathways. Every single part of the kitchen garden, we cover it in this chapter. So I know you're going to love chapter 2. It's called Gather, and I can't wait to share it with you. When you pre-order, send an email to hello@gardenery.com and I'll enroll you in a free mini gardening course called Before You Begin. It's got 5 questions that you need to ask yourself before you set up your kitchen garden. So you can watch the video course right now, and then as you get the book in your hands, you'll be ready to go. This book comes out May 5th, and from what my publishers tell me, pre-orders are everything in terms of telling the big guys who needs to see this book. So every time you pre-order, it really helps make the Kitchen Garden Revival a possibility. So thank you so much for being part of the development of this book. You have helped me from the very beginning by being here, by supporting me, and you answered so many questions for me through the process of writing it. You even told me what picture to put on the cover. So thank you so much for bringing back the kitchen garden with me. It matters now more than ever. So thank you for being part of the Kitchen Garden Revival. As soon as you pre-order, send your email to hello@gardenery.com and we'll enroll you in the mini course. Don't forget, chapter 2 is all about gathering, and I can't wait to help you gather all the materials for your kitchen garden in a few weeks. It's going to be so much fun. Thanks again for bringing back the kitchen garden with me, and I'll see you next time for chapter 3. Bye for now.